Uh, shall I take your name also?
Yeah, okay, fine.
Okay, Mateen, first let us start the first part. Tell me something about do you live in a flat or a bungalow or a detached house?
Well, I live in a flat. It's a seven-story apartment. It's in Mumra, located at Shimla Bagh, and it's a quite area, and there it's a seven-story building.
Okay, fine. Can you describe me your flat?
Okay, my flat is on.
It means like I'm asking like flat, bedroom, hall, and the interiors, right? Please
Okay,
go ahead.
sure. It's on second floor. It is one bedroom and a hall and a kitchen. So once we enter from the main door, comes the living room, and after that, kitchen in the left side, a common bathroom, and a separate washroom. And after that comes my bedroom. Actually, we as a sibling stays together in the bedroom. And our parents, at the night time, we sleep in the bedroom, and our parents prefer to sleep in the living room.
Okay, there are some hesitation, pauses, awkward pauses, and otherwise you're doing great, great, mashallah. And if you can add some vocabulary, that will be great, inshallah. I'm not saying you have to, but if you can add like fully furnished house, semi-furnished house, and we have a king size bed, or we have an open plan kitchen, or a tile floor, or we have TV mounted on the wall, and we have the, or you can say that the kitchen is cramped little bit, it's not comfortable and cozy, so you can use that word, inshallah. Let it be. Please describe your hometown, where you belong to, like Mumra, a small town. Describe a little bit.